Okay, folks, it looks like it's that time again. Got another unboxing video. I ordered this here online. I don't know if you can read what it is there on that thing, on that sticker there, but try and keep that sort of like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna pause this here. I'm gonna open it and then I'm gonna show you what it is. All right. Here we go. Well, guys, if you know what that is, why don't you try and make a comment down below and tell me what your guess is as to what this here is. Yeah, guess it up. Guess it up.